You need to keep a good texture and a nice color to your vegetables. Many people tend to avoid green vegetables like asparagus or broccoli because they are cooked in a wrong way. They lose their crunchiness, their freshness and their appetizing looks. Blanching green vegetables, very easy method, but at the same time very important if we want to keep the texture and the color of the vegetables as appetizing as possible. First off, pot of boiling water with quite a lot of salt in it. The salt and the boiling water will stick the chlorophyll to the green vegetables. We have some peas that we simply blanch, and we take care to simmer it just the right amount of time until it stays crunchy but it's cooked. Just make sure to keep the temperature to a lower simmer the moment it gets to boiling. Boiling water tends to deteriorate the structure of the vegetables. Just keep an eye on it and check, because this is why you don't like broccoli, because it's overcooked all the time. When it's done, that means for this kind of peas, probably less than 2 minutes, just take it out and plunge it into an ice-cold water bath. Cold water stops the cooking process and helps to the final texture of the vegetables. You don't have to keep it too long in the water bath because it will soak, it will absorb a lot of water. So strain again into another container, store it or use it on the spot. You can do the same thing with any green vegetable you choose to put into your food. It's broccoli, asparagus, even leaves, spinach is blanched in just a few seconds so that it stays crunchy, it doesn't become mushy, and after that you can even saute it with a bit of butter, a bit of garlic and give it a bit of taste. Here you are, blanched green peas, great color. You can transform them into a great creamy puree, a dish that we'll talk about in our few next lessons, or you can use it whole in whatever fancies you.